Lal Ba Killa or Lal Ba Fort, which was once known as Aurangabad Fort. It is located on the banks of the river Buriganga in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Built in the 17th century, it is an unfinished Mughal installation. The Mughal prince Muhammad Azam, third son of Aurangzeb, started the work of the fort in 1678 during his viceroyalty in Bengal. He stayed in Bengal for 15 months. The fort remained incomplete when he was called away by his father Aurangzeb. Shaista Khan was the new subadar of Dhaka in that time, and he did not complete the fort. In 1684, the daughter of Shaista Khan named Arandakt Perai Bibi died there. After her death, he started to think the fort as unlucky, and left the structure incomplete. Among the three major parts of Lal Ba Fort, one is the tomb of Bibi Perai. After Shaista Khan left Dhaka, it lost its popularity. The main cause was that the capital was moved from Dhaka to Murshidabad. After the end of the royal Mughal period, the fort became abandoned. In 1844, the area acquired its name as Lal Ba, replacing Aurangabad, and the fort became Lal Ba Fort. It is now known as Lal Ba Killa or Lal Ba Fort.